Hello everybody, please donate for UNICEF around the world. UNICEF for every child. UNICEF for every child is about the children and mother and father and family and member of family who lost, who want something, who lack of the resource about the food and drinking water and education and protection and tent president. UNICEF come from US team around the world 190 branch. If you want to UNICEF donate, please donate for UNICEF branch in your country. Thank you very much for help the children. Okay, that's right. If you want milk, please drink milk. But if not have the time to toilet and restroom, please eat milk tablet. ส่วนดุสิตส่วนจิรดา and ดอยคำ ส่วนดุสิต is a very delicious milk tablet and ดอยคำ is very delicious milk tablet. 70% of milk powder and 20% maybe of zinc powder. Yes, very delicious too. Pleased to meet you. I want to show you. This is Tomica JAF Japan Automobile. This is Tomica JAF. Thank you บวบทอยคุณท่านผ่องพันธ์กวนิชกุล for the cheapest model for demo. Thank you very much. She but look good. It's a JAF patrol car. In the emblem of JAF on the door outside, that you can open the door. That you can open the door. And inside is system about the electric system. H153. Sure. 81531. No. 8153. If you need the lottery number is the 8153. This is JAF. You can open the left door and you can open the right door too. This is JAF, Japan Automobile Foundation. Yes, Japan Automobile. It's about the car, the vehicle from Japan. That's the siren on the roof of the car. Yes. Signal to stop or to beware. Yes, to beware about the siren on the car roof. Thank you. Probably the car number is 5158. Sure. 3168. No. 3153. It's about the 3153. Not 51. It's about 3163. That's the great idea. If you want to buy the one is very beautiful car from JAF, you can close the door and open the door. Yes, you can open the door and close the door too. Beautiful car. Yes, you can touch and you can play, and if you want to testing, that's great idea. Yes, close the door and run. That's great. That's a very beautiful car. Thank you for looking at my video. Thank you very much everybody. See you again next time. Bye bye.